welcome to the Art Cake Experience channel. I have for you today this piece that I made for Christmas. I didn't make it for anything specific. It's probably going to be used for a small cake collaboration. I'm not sure. I just wanted to create a different centerpiece for my house because this is all styrofoam. It's dummy cake. And just to practice different things to put here in the channel. So with this piece, I recorded how to make the little guy here, it's a little wobbly because I use a wire structure. So it's actually like bloop, 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 see? It's like a bubble head, but it's not the head, it's the whole thing. So I made a video with a tutorial on how to do the base, the ball, okay, how to cover it with the sugar paste, for the structure and everything, and how to make this little gingerbread men or women or girl using a wire and a styrofoam inside as a structure as well, so you can have this wobbly result that is really cute. And then I just decorated this little dummy cake. The cake is not on the video, but I'll walk you through. It's covered in green sugar paste. Then I added the stitches here and some darker green dust just to accentuate it. I cut some ribbons on red with the red that I put vertically. Then I added the leaves, the holly leaves, and the buttons. The buttons, I didn't use them all, just a little ball, push it in the middle and mark the 4 holes. And you have a little button that I painted with gold. And also I add some gold accents to the front ribbon and to the ribbons around the cake. As you will see in the video, this is not a sponsor. I'm not sponsoring anybody. But like I always said in the videos and in my classes, if I find a product that I like and that I know it works, I will share it with you. And this is from our friends in Il Punto Italiana. They sent us, the participants of the Creepy World Cake Collaboration, they sent us some freebies, some products that I really, really love. And I use this. This is Oro Reale, and it's already made gold paint, liquid, perfect, because you don't have to be mixing it with anything. And I use this for the accents here on the ball and the little details on the ribbons. Very good, a very thin brush, and you can have amazing results. You're gonna see it on the video as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments below what do you think, and I'll see you at the end of the video.